To use Jefferson MyChart on an Apple iPhone or iPad, start by looking for the red folder with the white heart. Then we're going to sign in. On your phone or iPad, look for that icon, the MyChart icon, the red folder with the white heart, and press on there. Next, the login screen is going to come up after we hit continue. Now, you should be able to enter your username and password. Go ahead and type that in. Hit sign in. Please always hit allow. This is going to ask if you'd like to sign in quicker. Press not now. These menu options will also come up. Press on the bell or anywhere else on the screen. This is the home page for the MyChart app. We would like you to press on the appointments, the calendar icon. This is where all your telemedicine visits will be. Look for your visit starting with TeleMed and press on the row with the green camera. Now you can review details, e-check-in, and confirm your appointment. I would like for you to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and press Begin Visit. Now, a new window will open on the phone or iPad inside of the Safari browser. You'll see a blue background that says Waiting for Provider, and it will then ask to access your camera and microphone. Always hit Allow. A black circle will appear in the bottom right, and soon you will see yourself, just like that. This means your technology is working and you're waiting for the provider. Now, just relax and they will join the visit. Once the visit is over, tap on the red hang up phone. When you do that, you can leave the visit. Make sure you press on the red phone and press leave. That concludes your visit. Thank you.